Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison. I am an attorney and the owner of Ready Go Law. Do you have a pending Form I-485 adjustment of status application that is on hold because you're from a travel ban country? Then this video is for you. We are offering a litigation opportunity for citizens of 19 countries listed in Trump's travel ban to challenge the hold on processing and adjudication of their Form 485 adjustment of status applications due to the December 2nd, 2025 USCIS policy memo known as PM-602-0192. In sum, we believe that the blanket withholding of USCIS processing and adjudications of 485 applications is unlawful because it is based upon national origin of the applicants and because USCIS lacks the legal authority to do such a blanket suspension. We hope to file more than one group lawsuit to mitigate and minimize risk related to the government's arguments about proper venue. Okay, important dates to know. The deadline to participate, December 26, 2025. The day we plan to file the complaints to initiate the lawsuits, on or about January 9th, 2026. Okay, to participate in this group lawsuit, a 485 primary applicant must meet the following 4 requirements. 1, the applicant must be inside the United States. 2, the applicant must have an I-485 application pending with I-797 notices to prove it. 3, the applicant must be a national of one of the 19 countries impacted by Trump's June 4th, 2025 travel ban. Those countries are Afghanistan, Burma, Burundi, Chad, Republic of the Congo, Cuba, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Laos, Libya, Sierra Leone, Somalia, Sudan, Togo, Turkmenistan, Venezuela, and Yemen. 4, the applicant cannot be a plaintiff in any other active unreasonable delay or mandamus lawsuit challenging delays related to that 485 adjudication. Okay, let's talk about the cost to participate. The attorney fee to participate as plaintiffs in the lawsuit will be $3,000 for each I-485 primary applicant. This fee includes the cost of participation of all derivative beneficiaries, regardless of family size. The terms for payment are as follows. The initial attorney fee of $1,000 is due in advance of the representation for us to start. The $2,000 balance is deferred until and due on February 1st, 2026. The $2,000 back-end payment is only deferred as a courtesy for the unpredicted hardship faced by victims of the December 2nd, 2025 policy memo. Participants who are not comfortable with this contingency are welcome to prepay the entire $3,000 attorney fees. Okay, how to participate. Onboarding for this lawsuit is automated. Visit our website, readygolaw.com, for more information. Thank you for your time in considering this litigation opportunity.